If you're a service provider or you run any type of agency, in this video, you will exactly see how exactly you can get clients without relying on referrals or paid advertising. So, hey everyone, this is Dhaval Kashyap. If you don't know me, I run two marketing agency. One is for local businesses and one for real estate. About 3 years ago, when I started my first agency, I was also struggling with getting clients. Initially, I was thinking that if I just do good work for my clients, they will start referring me, and then based on referrals, I will grow my business. But in reality, it's not true. Don't get me wrong, referral is a good way to grow a business, but you cannot rely on referrals because in multiple cases, specifically in marketing agency, you are the competitive advantage for your clients. And no one reveals their advantage to the public. And that is what is the biggest problem with the referral system in agencies. So now the next way is either to create content or run paid advertising. One is really expensive and second one takes time. So you don't have any choice apart from doing cold outreach. So now let's get into this video, because in this video you will exactly see how you can run your cold outreach campaign and how you can get powerful results from those, because I have scaled my both agencies on cold outreach. So in 1800 there was an investment firm and they were also struggling with clients. They tried all the things, newspaper promotions, door to door sales, but nothing really worked. And one day they noticed that nobody is buying their services because they are marketing like everyone else, which means they were not catching the attention. And because other competitors were really old, they had case studies and results and trust of the market, they were getting clients really easily. So now they had a choice, either to change the market or target new people. So what they did was they collected postal addresses of their prospect. They started sending them reports on what are the best investments right now in the market. And now they started getting customers because they were providing value before even pitching. And this is the first thing that most of the agents get wrong. They think that they need to pitch someone first and then provide value. So now let's talk about the framework. So most of you spam your prospect with same outdated random messages. And because someone told you that cold outreach is a game of quantity, you just send these bulk messages without using your brain cells. You need to understand that nobody is going to read these messages because people are not ready to buy something. You have to understand that platforms are really strict right now. If you are sending same messages to multiple people, you will be blocked or your messages will go to spam. So what is the solution now? Let's move on to the second thing, which is nailing your offer. And when I say nailing your offer, I don't mean that you need to use same Alex or Musi framework of delivering X results in Y time frame with a risk reversal. That is not what I support, because it is something which is really common nowadays. Every second guy is using them with stupid guarantees and with stupid results. That is not what you need to do. You need to separate yourself. So focus on the value proposition, how exactly you can help your clients, how exactly you can provide value even before someone working with you. So you have to understand that, you have to figure out your way of doing that based on services that you provide. So here is what I do personally. I message them up with a proper value proposition and how can I help them. Apart from this, I also send them a lead magnet. We will discuss on how you can create powerful lead magnets in the next. We will we will we will talk about how you can create powerful lead magnets as well. Now, the third is the perfect prospecting process. You have to create a dream list. You need to know about what is the niche that you want to target, what is the business size that you are targeting, what are the main problem, lifestyle, mindset, what is the gender, and most important, what are the other common things apart from your service. It can be sports, it can be cars, whatever it is. For example, if your dream clients play golf, you should know about golf and you need to talk about golf. That is a basic thing you have to understand. And you need to talk about the other stuff, not the service that you offer. That is what makes you feel like a friend. And most people buy from a friend, not a stranger. Let's talk about fourth step, which is creating lead magnet. A common formula for that is have something as lead magnet. Best thing you can do is the product and services your or competitors are offering, buy them and send that to your prospect for free. Some good lead magnet examples are software subscriptions, ebooks, guides, framework, and my personal favorite is case studies. Let's talk about outreach channel. Let's not confuse this. Let's not overthink about this. If you want to target B2B, linkedin linkedin is the best. If you want to target B2C, Instagram is the best. And if you want to target a market where you think that these people are not using social media to scroll, you can outreach them on emails. It's simple. These are the only thing you need to do to get the results. Now let's talk about the messaging formula. You have to greet them, then you have to pitch a solution, then you need to talk about the problem that you're solving, and then you need to add your lead magnet. An example for you is that I personally use is, hi name. I will be straight to point. I checked your website and I figured you can fix these three things that are lowering your conversion by 37%. Now the client will, probably 37% is not the right number, but client will think that you have done your research and they are likely to reply more. I have made a Bloom video explaining exactly how you can fix it. Now here you are pitching your lead magnet, and then you are giving a CTA, which is, let me know where I can send it. It's not pitching. It's not something that they feel like this guy is selling me something. It's just solely for the purpose of providing value. Now use this framework to customize your messaging. Other thing is follow-ups. And problem with people is they follow up this way. Did you saw my last message? Following up on my last message. This is bullshit, right? Nobody cares about it. You need to follow up with powerful, valuable stuff. You need to message them with industry trends. You can message them about recent stuff that is happening with you, and then you can ask them if they saw your last message or not. Most people don't do it, and that is why they suffer, because follow up is where the real money is. Now let's talk about the automation. Here I'm again simplifying it for you. If you have money and if you have multiple case studies, go with bulk outreach and automate as much as you can. But if you're starting out and you don't have money, best thing to do is start with personalized outreach. That is ideal for you. Now let's talk about objection handling. For objection handling, I have really simple formula. You need to ask three questions to your prospect. Do you think that you will be using our services in the future? Do you think that our services can solve your problem? Do you think that you will take our services if they were free? If the answer for these questions is yes, give them your price, send them an invoice. If they are not ready for the price, discount as much as you can and then close the deal. The process is really simple. You need to put in the effort. You cannot see results by sending 100 messages. You need to send 1,000 messages just to see if your offer is working or not. I hope this video was helpful. I try to keep these videos as short as possible. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye.